Local leaders, Ghetto youth and sister security agencies in Kabale district have joined forces with the Uganda People's Defence Forces, UPDF, to undertake a cleaning exercise across various locations in Kabale town as part of the preparations for the 43rd anniversary celebrations of Tarehe Sita. Under the leadership of Major General Godfrey Demoy Otim, who heads the 31 Battalion along with Kabale's resident District Commissioner Godfrey Nyakahuma and Assistant Commissioner of Police Ibrahim Saiga, the endeavor sought to instill the town with the spirit of Tarehe Sita. The RDC Nyakahuma highlighted that UPDF's involvement in the cleaning campaign is a gesture of appreciation towards Ugandans who supported the NRM during the protracted People's War by providing intelligence, food and clothing among other necessities. He reiterated UPDF's commitment to safeguarding the common security of Ugandans, underscoring the strong bond between the military and the citizens.
Our participation in the community service, more especially in cleaning and doing other activities of community service nature, is to return to the people what we call is to return to the people to thank them, because during the protracted struggle, it is the Wananchi that helped the national resistance movement win a 5-year protracted People's War. It is the people that are the ones who are providing intelligence, they were providing food, they are providing clothes and so on. So the victory of the national resistance movement entirely depended on the support of the people. So this one is returning back to the people in appreciation of their support they rendered to the National Resistance Army and National Resistance Movement.
Kabale Municipality Central Division LC3 Chairman Sam Arnaitwe stressed the point of traders maintaining cleanliness in Kabale Central Market and drainage channels.
Liberation is an ongoing process. It's not something that you do today and complete. If government builds a facility like this one, and the level of cleanliness of our people is still lacking, and when the forces see it wise to come and join us, because they are supporting us as Kabale Municipal Council. They are the ones who are supporting us. It's not us who are joining them to support them. So we believe it is imperative for us to join them and be part of them, because they're helping us to clean this market. And also remind our people that cleanliness is a continuous journey. It's not something you do today and say you're going to stop there. So these ones who have come, the UPDF, the police, the Uganda prisons to join us, we want to appeal to our people to ensure that they ensure their facility is clean. It is theirs.
RDC, UPDF, nyokwihanija omubebembezi buli mwaka babasaka kutuyamba omuklininga kandi bakwata harahunya munonga abokwa baragira nyine mufundi warakwata hazireki kwenda kwereka abantu ko hatine yaba no mukugwana barabasa kuko no mukuleto buyojo muri Kabale Municipality nacho barakibasa.
Musa Asimwe, the president of Ghetto Youth in the Kigezi sub-region, commended the Tarehe Sita celebrations for fostering collaboration between Ghetto Youth and security agencies in combating criminal activities in the region.
Me and my youth, we have combined ourselves to help these security personnel, to make them feel confidence and to have strength that they can make it, even though they are looking at them as if that they are criminals. No, it's like the other way. They have to come and bring hands together with the security to do this cleaning, show that they are rightful to it.
Tarehe Sita, signifying the 6th day of the month in Kiswahili, commemorates the historic attack on Kabamba Barracks by the National Resistance Army NRA rebels in Bubende district on February 6, 1981. The 43rd Tarehe Sita anniversary is slated to be held in Buyende district within the Busoga sub-region under the theme celebrating people's struggle for unity, security and peace for socio-economic transformation.